Recently, I did an inspection on myself and I realized that on payday, I would just pay bills and get expenses out of the way until next pay cycle comes. Then I saw a post on Instagram from Chris Johnson. Basically, he talks about opening different accounts so you can diversify your income for a better chance of saving. Hi, my name is Demetress Fairman, and in this video, I will be going over tips or the strategy that I will be using to save more money. Get paid to a checking account. So the post stated that you should do your day-to-day spending from this account. So a checking account is basically where we are supposed to get paid, do transactions, basically have more interaction with our money and not necessarily a savings account. My checking account will cover my expenses, my bills, and general spending. The checking account will then be transformed into a donor account, which will be diversifying itself into other accounts, starting with, most importantly for me, my savings account. Number 2 will be the savings account. Everybody knows what a saving account is, but do we really truly use it for its true purposes? The plan is to stop spending frequently from my savings account, because the less withdrawals or interaction that you make with your money in the savings account, the more it generates interest. So I will save for a future goal, something big, something that's not just a typical spending from the checking account, but a major goal. One trick that I plan to implement is to pay myself first, meaning as soon as I get paid in my checking account, I will either set up an automatic deposit into my savings account, or I just do this on an online app, or I just physically withdraw the money from my checking account and put it in my savings account. Therefore, before I do any spending or any expenses, because I've already paid myself, my savings are set aside, and what is left can be easily budgeted for expenses. So number 3 would be an emergency savings account, and this will be coming from your savings account. So an emergency savings fund is a separate savings account that you solely rely upon or have stashed aside until there's a real life emergency. Yo, remember a time when we all thought this was an emergency? I'm glad we can get toilet paper to buy right now. Fun and jokes aside, this account is for emergencies only. It's for medical emergencies, car failures, rent, or even housing emergencies. Anything that you can consider a real life emergency, then this is what this account is for. Its main purpose is for when no money is in your checking account, or worst case scenario, you lose your job. This account is mainly used as a buffer account. So until you can get back a steady cash flow or get yourself back on your feet, then this money will help cushion the blow in those hard times. So my goal is to save at least 6 months of my income. And this 6-month income is not structured around wants, but actual needs. This account will cover my basic necessities. It will cover my gas, my rent, my food, and basically the bare minimum that I need to survive. And when I say needs, guys, I mean no more of this subscription. Who know themselves, know themselves. The 4th and final in this savings plan is going to be an investment account. Now, this is the great part. This is the money that is invested into your future. So whether you want to put your money in a stock portfolio, a bond, or a pension fund, the choice is yours. They are all a part of investments, and it's up to you to know where you want to put your money. Also, put money in this account and leave it there. The market will present some opportunities, and it's good to have some cash laying around in that account so you can take a position if an opportunity arises. Now it's time to put this plan into action and strive to be a better saver. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Demetress Fairman on Saving Money 101. And until next time, guys, I'm signing out.